Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's first video I'm going to show you how to remove your background of any image just less than 10 seconds. It's all depend on your internet speed, how good is your internet, and you can do it fast as you can. First of all, you need to open a website that is called remove.bg. It is used for remove any image background less than 10 seconds, because it's all depend on your internet. If your internet connection is good, then you can do it as fast as you can. Just first of all, you need to open your browser and open a website called remove.bg. When you open remove.bg, you just need to click on upload image. Whenever you click on upload image, just select your file, whatever your file want to remove your background. You wanted to remove the background, just click on it. Here I uploaded, selected one of my selfie. Just little bit internet connection problem, just hold down. If your internet connection is good, then you can do it as fast as you can, because it's all dependent on internet, because this is whole working on internet. Okay, here is my picture that I upload. Now just click, automatically website remove the background of my image. Here you can see the result. How good result is it? Okay, here two options you can see: download 1, download 2. Because in download HD you need create it and sign up for your account. It means you need to create an account, but in local download you don't need any kind of creating account or anything else. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying to you. Okay, just click on a download button and you can download it as easy as you can. Okay, here's another option that's called editing. Now here you can click on edit, so you can easily edit your image. Just wanted to change something or any object that isn't removed from your background, you can easily remove from it. Or here's another option: you can add just background. Randomly backgrounds are available here. You can just select background and background will be uploaded here. I hope you're understanding what I said that, and I hope you like my content. And first of all, don't forget to give review on my first video of this channel, and also how am I looking in this selfie. So please share your feedback, share your review in comment section. And if you haven't any subscribe my channel yet, just click on a subscribe button and smash the bell icon, because you will never miss any upcoming videos, because I'm going to do something crazy. And because as you know that our channel name is Do It With Amabi, I will upload every single day a new video. I hope so I can. It is a big challenge for me to upload a video regular basis. Okay, so see you in another video.